In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded GREENWORKS telescoping string trimmers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. Lift the string trimmer out of the box. Be careful not to damage the wire connecting the two halves. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Assemble the shaft. Push the lower shaft onto the upper shaft. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until the button pops into the positioning hole. Tighten the coupler. To separate the shaft, pull the unit until it is fully extended. Locate the pinhole on the upper half of the shaft. Insert the small pin into the hole to push the release button. Pull the shafts apart. Be careful not to put tension on the wire. Attach the guard and edge guide. Remove the two pre-installed screws. Slide the guard into the grooves found in the trimmer head. Align the screw holes on the guard with the screw holes on the base. Reinstall the screws and tighten them using a Phillips head screwdriver. Insert the ends of the edge guard into the holes on either side of the trimmer head. Remove the tape from the cutting line and cut-off blade. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob and bolt from the auxiliary handle. Push the auxiliary handle onto the shaft. Reinstall the bolt and tighten the knob until the handle is secure. Battery and charger. This step does not apply to corded models. If you purchased a complete kit with battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. To learn more about this product, including how to charge the batteries, operation, and general maintenance, visit our YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.